Hey superstar, Gavin is here from Wake Up Fulfilled. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for light workers and empaths who want to manifest an inspired life. In this video, I'm going to share with you a sleep technique to manifest what you want. This is so powerful, and in fact I have a sleep shifting course, so leave a comment below saying I am a superstar, oh yes, in order to get your chance to win my sleep shifting course. We're selecting 3 winners a day. If you're a winner right now, then DM me on Instagram and we'll get you set up with the course. And also come back each day to find out if you are a winner. I'm so excited for this video because I've been using this very powerful technology to really shift my life into the reality that I want. I've been seeing radical results, and I want to share this technique with you so you can radically shift your life too. So there's 3 quick and easy steps that you need to follow, okay? So step number 1 is you need to find a subliminal here on YouTube that resonates with the topic that you want to work around. For example, it might be manifesting your soulmate. It might be attracting your twin flame. It might be manifesting money. By the way, we have a meditation right here, manifest money within 24 hours, which is a subliminal that works really powerfully. People are seeing amazing results with this particular meditation. So if you want to manifest money, you can do that one. Maybe it's to increase your confidence. Maybe it's to get a raise in your job. Maybe it's to be traveling the world. Maybe it's to overcome anxiety and depression. Whatever subliminals resonate with where you're at right now, whatever you want to manifest, I suggest these subliminals. Now, I'm not someone that really tells people to listen to subliminals where you can change your eye color or change your appearance or anything like that. I'm talking about internal world stuff that can shift your reality, shift your emotions to where you want to be. Now, what I highly recommend is you look for a reputable channel that is getting results for people. So what you want to do is you actually want to look at the comments in the video and check if people are saying they're getting results with it. If they're not getting any results with it, then you need to move on to a next video, and you keep on searching and searching, and you need to find a video where there's loads of people saying that it actually worked. And when you do that, then you know the one that you were choosing works, so it increases its chance for working for you. You see how that works? And so you want to find a subliminal in the niche, in the area that you want to work on, and you want to check the comments to make sure people are seeing results with that particular subliminal. I also suggest finding a subliminal that's 8 hours long or 9 hours long or however long you sleep, because then you can just play all night. Alternatively, what you can do on YouTube is you can create a playlist. And when you create a playlist, you can put that playlist on loop so it will play all night. Also, there are websites that you can copy and paste the YouTube URL into a repetition loop website. So just type in YouTube loop or YouTube repeat my YouTube video, whatever, in Google, and there will be websites where you can just like put the URL in and it will repeat the video over and over. The problem with that is there's ads on people's videos at the beginning of the videos, so that might wake you up during the night, and so it's actually better to find one where it's just 8 hours long, no interruptions, and you can listen to the whole night. So once you've chosen your video, step number 2 is to visualize and impress onto the subconscious mind the feelings that resonate with that particular subliminal, that resonate with what you are wanting to manifest. And one of the best ways to do that is actually to have a conversation with your pillow. So if you're single, you can talk to your pillow. If you've got a partner that's into this stuff and you want to do it with them, then you can have a conversation with them before you go to sleep and talk to each other around the particular area that you're working on. For example, if it's money, you can start talking to your pillow and saying, isn't it amazing that we're making this amount of money? Isn't it amazing that we get to do this and this and this? And you can even talk in yesterday terms, or in the past terms. Remember when we was able to achieve this, this and this, and feeling the feelings of normality and having that and experiencing that. And basically have a conversation with yourself and see yourself manifesting this, or see yourself shifting into the person that is manifesting this particular reality. For example, if you want to increase your confidence, then you would see yourself not as third person externally, but you would see yourself as you're lying there in your bed. You'll see yourself, oh, I'm confident now, right? You'll change your posture and you'll sleep as confident and feel the feelings of that, right? You want to see yourself in that way. It's not external. You're not visualizing and seeing yourself confident. You're seeing yourself shift. Okay, this is really, really powerful stuff. Okay, so that's the way in which you want to do it. Okay, so you want to talk to your pillow. Sounds strange, right? Why am I going to talk to my pillow, Gavin? That's embarrassing, right? Well, you're by yourself, so it doesn't matter. If you want to do it with your partner, you can do it with your partner as well. Have a conversation with them and have a dialogue around the amazing things that you're manifesting. But when you talk to your pillow, it's almost as if you're talking to your subconscious mind, and you're using the emotions, and you're impressing upon the subconscious mind of what you want. If you want, you can try and test this out to see if it works, where you say to your pillow, please wake me up at 8 a.m. So turn off your alarm and say, please wake me up at 8 a.m. Please, maybe try this on the weekend, right? Please wake me up at 8 a.m. Please wake me up at 8 a.m. Please wake me up at 8 a.m. I demand that you wake me up at 8 a.m. I demand that you wake me up at 8 a.m. Keep on saying it over and over and visualize it and feel it. Feel what it feels like to wake you up at 8 a.m. and it will wake you up at 8 a.m. You won't need an alarm. It's really, really powerful stuff. And so you can just talk to your pillow and tell it. But really what you're doing is you're using it as a tool to talk to your subconscious mind. Okay? And this is how it works. But you can test it out and do that first if you want to see if that works. Ultimately, it works anyway. So you just want to speak to your pillow around what it is that you're manifesting and what it is that you're creating in your life. So that is step number 2, right? You want to speak to your pillow, and you want to do it for around 5 to 10 minutes as you're falling to sleep in the theta brainwave states, in the alpha brainwave states, as your brainwaves are starting to go down. Okay, and this is going to condition your subconscious mind. It's going to shift your subconscious mind. And it's going to do the work whilst you are sleeping and really create that into your reality. Now, it's said that when you think of something and you use emotions before you go to sleep, it actually repeats itself for 3 hours, I believe. Okay, so you're invoking those emotions for another 3 hours as you go to sleep, because the mind, what it does is it repeats in its head, it loops stuff over and over and over again. So for example, when I say my name is Gavin, you'll be like, understanding my name is Gavin, and it will repeat that into your short-term memory. My name is Gavin, my name is Gavin, and then after a while it will go into long-term memory. Okay, so you want to understand that. That's why people and companies have names like Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. It's named that way for a reason, okay, because it repeats in your head over and over. Another one of them is Bed, Bath and Beyond. Okay, Bed, Bath and Beyond. It's very easy to remember. Another one is Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe. Right? It's very repetitive in the mind. Okay, there's a little like, what's it called? Stagnita? I forgot what it's called in music. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, it triggers the mind, and it makes people remember stuff. Okay, so Marilyn Monroe, her real name is not Marilyn Monroe. Okay, so just understand that. Some people, I don't think Ralph Smart, I don't think his second name is Smart. Preston Smiles, I don't think his second name is Smiles, right? So you need to understand that. It's like people remember certain things in certain ways. Okay, so that's what we're doing with the subconscious mind here. And the last step here, step number 3, is when you wake up in the morning, you want to do this process again. Okay, you once again talk to your pillow again, and you want to get into the emotion of appreciation and the feelings of abundance or love or health or confidence or whatever it is. You want to begin to bring that in the morning as you're in those brainwave states. Okay, you want to use these brainwave states wisely. So as you're waking up in the morning, don't be like, oh, I don't want to get up, I'm tired, I don't want to go to work. No, you have to kind of get out of those particular emotions, because again, that's what you're manifesting. If you wake up like that and you're waking up in a brainwave state of theta and alpha, I don't want to go to work, I'm tired, and blah, and blah, you're conditioning your mind to manifest more of that. You're conditioning your mind that's a normal way to be. You're conditioning your mind that this is my personality. And so you're going to continue doing that down the line. You're going to continue those behaviors. And so what you want to do is say, this is going to be an amazing day. Oh yes, I am a superstar. Oh yes, I'm alive. Right? I'm not dead. I've achieved my biggest goal in life. Right? I'm alive. And be appreciative, and then start. You should be still listening to the subliminals while you're doing this. So you listen to the subliminals, sit there for maybe 5, 10, 20 minutes, however long you want to do it for, and feel the emotions of this particular thing that you want to change in your life. I guarantee if you do this for 21 days or more, you will radically shift your life. Okay, you'll see a huge shift in your life, and you'll see a huge shift in this particular area of your life, manifesting more money, more success, more happiness, more joy. So just want to go through the steps real quick again. You want to find a subliminal that resonates with you, whatever area that you want to work on. And then once you do that, step number 2 is you want to talk to your pillow or talk to your partner and have a conversation, right, around what it is that you're manifesting and feeling good about it, and really engaging that and really feeling that and what it would be like to experience that. And then when you wake up in the morning, you want to do the same again. This is super duper 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 powerful stuff. This is a bit of like sleep shifting. Sleep shifting takes it to a next level. Again, if you want to win that course, okay, just leave a comment below saying I am a superstar. Oh yes. And if you're someone that wants to change who you are, you know that you're not necessarily congruent with the reality and the lifestyle that you want, and you've got big goals, you've got big dreams, you want to make your dreams a reality. Maybe you're a businessman, businesswoman, or maybe you want to go up in the career ladder, and you really want to take that seriously in 2020 and beyond, then neutrality shifting coaching will be for you. Okay, there'll be a link in the description where you can find out more about that. And what we do is we shift your personality into the reality that you want. We literally change who you are and how you operate in this world. And as you change who you are, you manifest what you want. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are being. So we shift who you are being. Your current personality is not manifesting the reality that you want, and you know you need to shift. So if you want to get one-on-one coaching, there'll be a link in the description where you can find out more about that. Other than that, keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding. I'll see you in the next video. Catch you soon. Peace.